Hello guys, this is tutorial number 2 on Solidworks, and we'll be learning how to do trim entities. And I really want to apologize guys for the previous video. The sound was really low, my voice was really low, so I'll make sure that that won't happen again. So let's start with Solidworks. So you can see the trim entities is unchecked right now because we haven't selected any plane. So first we have to select and make a sketch on it. This is plane, top plane, and then we select it, and then we go for lines. We'll draw certain lines. To understand, I have to draw, actually there are different types of trim entities, so I have to draw the pattern so that you can understand how to use all that in a single figure. Okay, so you click on trim entities, then you select power trim. What power trim does is it really deletes the line as you want. I mean, if you click the line here, and then you can see that there is the section which is appearing blue, it will disappear. So you click again, it disappears. So we do again with this line, you select the line, and then you can see there is a blue section which is appearing. You can adjust it by yourself. Then you click, the line disappears. So we're done with the power trim. Now corner. The corner is like wherever two different lines are meeting and they're forming a corner, the extended line will get deleted. How? Let's do this. So you select the lines, select this line and this line. That's how it works. So Control Z can bring your sketch back into existence. So we do it again. We select these lines, this and this. So you can see it got deleted. So we have used this corner, and now it's time for trim away inside. So you can see in this figure, this small figure here, there's a green and one green line, and there's another green line. So you have to select that are actually boundaries. So we'll select this line as a boundary and this another line, this line as another boundary. So now we will select it will delete the material inside this boundary. So if you select this one, so you can see it got, when I'm taking mouse cursor over there, its color is changing, so click here, it got deleted. We do it again, Control Z, trim entities. So we'll select the boundaries again. Let's select these two will be the boundaries, and the interior in this boundary is going to be disappearing. You click here, it goes away. So this is how it works. Control Z again. So there's another command which is totally opposite. It deletes the outside of the boundary line. If you select these two lines as a boundary, and you can see, if you select this line, and you can see that this is the extended line which is appearing outside the boundary, it will get deleted. Oh, I should have selected this one. Control Z. Yeah, this one. So select these two lines as a boundary, and the interior stays and the exterior get deleted. You can see. Now press Control Z. The third is the trim to close it. Trim to close this is normally gonna use trim to closest. So wherever the intersection is taking place, it will delete where the intersection is taking place. So you can see that there is an intersection taking place, it will delete that. So here you can see this is the intersection taking place, so you click here, it get deleted. You click here, you get deleted. So guys, now we have learned about trim entities, so we will learn how to, now we're going to design this figure on SolidWorks. So with the help of trim entities, we'll be designing this figure. Let's go ahead and do that. Click on new, double click on parts, then we'll select the plane, top plane. So before that, you can see the figure has these central lines, which is also called reference lines. So let's draw the reference line first, because the sketch depends on it. So I'll draw the central line here, and then we'll give it relation with the origin by holding, first you have to select the line, then hold control button, then select the origin and make midpoint relation. So this is how you provide relation with two things. If you hold control button, select one and another sketch to provide relation. So let's do it again with the horizontal line. We draw the horizontal line here. Select the line, hold control, then select the origin, make midpoint. Zoom out. Now draw two more vertical lines. Smart dimension. The distance is 32. And it is also 32. Select. Now after drawing these lines, we have to draw these circles. So let's go ahead. Circle, we'll draw the circle over here. We'll select the center and hold control button, then select this line. Make it coincident. And select the center again, make it, hold control button, then select this horizontal line, make it coincident. So this is how it works. We'll draw the circle here. Here. Smart dimensions. So now you can see this, the small circle has a radius of 5. So let's give the radius 5. And it has a radius of, no, it's radius, so we have to give the 10. So Solidworks doesn't have the radius feature, it has a diameter feature, so we have to just give the diameters. Then we'll go for this one, and then we'll make it 20. This is also 20. This one has radius of 8, which will be, the diameter is going to be 16, and then it has 26. So now we'll draw the line which has to be tangent. So now you can see there's a line here, which is joining these two, this circle and this circle. So we go ahead. So you can see it automatically becomes tangent and coincident. Here also it's the same. We'll draw the line again over here. Sketch. Skip. So go ahead and do the same. Let's make it tangent. Select this line, hold control, then select the circle, provide tangent. Select the line, hold control, then select the line, hold control, then the circle, tangent. So select the line and circle, tangent. The same here, tangent. So now you can see our sketch is totally black. So that's the reason it's fully defined. So it is fully defined, but the sketch is not complete. I will go to trim entities, we'll trim this thing, and you can also see we have trimmed this as well. Trim this thing, trim this, do the same over here. Trim this one. So we are using trim to the closest, right? We will normally use that. Zoom in, trim. Go OK. Now you can see that our figure looks exactly the same as this one, and which is also black in color, and which shows that our figure is fully defined. Let's go ahead and save this thing. Bypass. Part 2. Save. So guys, see you in the next video. So practice and have fun, guys.